Hey guys, and welcome to the RC Lab. Today I'm out and flying with my good old trusty Phantom 4 Pro, but I have something new. I got a little prototype of the new little Phantom. So look at this thing, how small it is compared to the Phantom 4 Pro. So I got it and nobody told me not to show anything about it. So yeah, I just thought maybe I should make this little video and fly it for you guys. So today it's a little bit windy, but it's a great test for this little thing. Oh, this thing flies great, even with the higher winds. Look at it, how great it is. So I don't know what they call it. Maybe after the success of the Mavic Air, maybe it's the Phantom Air or the Phantom Mini, I don't know. Just write it down in the comments what you think, what they should call it. So let's bring it in for a landing. Right beside the Phantom 4 Pro. So this thing is really nice. That's all I have for you today. RC Lab, over and out.